Good evening, students. Today we are going to discuss the syllabus of commerce of the class 12th. Under the commerce syllabus, we will study in for the first unit test. There are 4 chapters. Under these chapters, first chapter is business environment, second one is financing, third one is source of finance for joint stock company, and fourth one is banking latest trend. Under the first chapter, we will study concept of business environment, importance of business environment, dimension of business environment. There are 2 type of dimensions, micro and macro. We will study under this chapter. Micro environment, the factors of micro environment like internal or external factor. Macro environment, and last topic will be SWOT analysis. It's very important topic we will study under this chapter. This is the most important chapter for your examination concern. Your first chapter is business environment. Under the second chapter, financing, we will study under the second chapter financing, we will study capital, fixed and working. Under financing, nature of business finance. What is the nature of business finance? What type of fund we utilize for the business concern, and from where we collect all these funds. We will see importance of finance for business. What are the importance for these type of fund for in the business concern? Source of finance for the different type of business firms, means from where we collect all these funds for the business. Fourth point is financial planning, how a concern do the financial planning for the concern. Point next, under financing, factor affecting capital structure, meaning of fixed capital, fluctuating capital, meaning of working capital, and types of working capital, importance of working capital, and which factors which affect to the working capital. And last, we will see the comparison between fixed and working capital. We will see under the chapter financing. Third chapter will be source of finance for joint stock company. Under this chapter, we will study long-term source of finance, means if the company wants the long-term source of fund for the concern, from where the company will collect and from where will the company get the fund for the businesses. My dear students, under this chapter we will see equity shares, preference shares, bonus shares, right shares, ESOP, employee stock option plan, sweat equity shares, retained earning, debentures, loan from commercial bank, loan from financial institutions, source of short-term finance, public deposits, commercial bank, trade credit, installment credit, factoring, customer advances, intercorporate deposits. These topics, this is the very most important chapter for your examination concern and for your knowledge concern also. Under this chapter, it's very knowledgeful. It's most important chapter, you can say. Under this chapter, we will understand all these sources of fund, all the benefit for the concern point of view, benefit from the shareholder point of view, benefit, advantages, disadvantages, all these things we will know. under the chapter number 3, source of finance for joint stock company. Fourth chapter under first unit test, banking latest trend. My dear students, now in the present scenario you are seeing there are various changes in banking sector. The banking is going to totally depend on technology. In the in the starting time, and that at the time of freedom, you can see, or in the decades of 1960 or 70, you know very well, manual banking we do. But in the present scenario, what we are seeing, there is some trends or technological development which has come under banking sector. Whatever we will see under this chapter, banking latest trend. Okay, this is your all these 4 chapters. This is the for your unit test 1. Under half yearly we will see management. You know very well, the first chapter is the management under for the half yearly. Management, how management is important for the business concern, and what management do for the business concern. Okay, all the principle of management, all the concepts of management, level and scopes, we will see under the chapter management. Next chapter, principle of management. Under this chapter we will see meaning and principle of management, needs, scientific principles, fuel principles, comparison between Taylor and fuel, and universality of management principles. All these things we will see under the chapter number 6, principle of management. Under 7 chapter we will see function of management and coordination. Its most important function, the function of management. You know very well, there are 5 basic functions: POSD, CRB, planning, organizing, staffing, directing, controlling, reporting, and budgeting. These all are the functions. Under these chapters we will see the 8th chapter is your planning, 9th chapter is your organizing, and 10th chapter is staffing. Under 8th chapter, under planning, we will see meaning of planning, how we plan for a business concern, how business plan will maintained by the corporate organizations, types of plan, objective, strategies, policies, procedure, methods, rules. These all are we will see under the chapter 8, planning. 9th chapter is organizing. Organizing means some organizations under we do all the activities of the corporate. And under this organizing chapter we will see types of formal organization, informal organization, distinction between formal and informal, advantages. There are various type of organization, functional structure of the organization, divisional structure, delegation of authority, responsibility, accountability, centralization and decentralization of authority, difference between centralization and decentralizations. We will see under this chapter. It's most important chapter, organizing. Okay. Under 10th chapter, staffing. See here, planning, organizing, and then staffing. Under staffing, we will see how corporate recruit its staff, and what are the procedures for recruiting all the staffs in the corporate organization, There are various methods, there are various plans for recruiting staffing, and what are the things which is required for the for business concern. Okay, next chapter is directing. Directing means how can we direct, how a business concern will be direct for achieving goal, motivations, through motivations, supervision, directing, process of motivation, Maslow's theory, meaning of leadership, qualities of good leader, meaning of communication, steps in the process of communication, objective of communications, barriers, overcoming barrier, how can we overcome to the barrier of communication. Your next chapter is controlling. Controlling means how can we control, how a business organization control all the external or internal activities of the concern and for getting his best result. Okay, we will see under this chapter meaning of controlling, nature of controlling, importance, limitation of controlling, relationship between planning, control, the steps of control, and one more important topic is span of control and management by exception. All these things we will see under this chapter. Under half-yearly syllabus, including unit test 1 will also. Okay, so under the syllabus of class 12, the 4th unit will be marketing, and under the marketing we will see marketing concept and functions. There are various concepts of marketing, types of markets, traditional and modern approaches, with comparison between marketing and selling, importance of marketing, functions of marketing, e-marketing. All these things we will study under the marketing. Next, marketing mix. Marketing means there are various elements of the marketing which we will study under this chapter. This is the very important chapter. Marketing mix, meaning and element of marketing mix, product mix, branding, labeling, packaging. Whatever you see for any product, you see the product, any type of product, you see the to that product, then you get this product is very good label, this product is very good branding by the company, very good packaging. These all things, how it's important for any product, how it's affect to the customer, we will study under this chapter. Next topic will be price mix, place distribution mix, place mix, how place is important for any product for the business. Channel of distribution, what will be the channel of distribution and how the business will channelize to or distribute to this product to the customer. Promotion mix under personal selling, sales promotions, advertising, publicity, factors influencing promotion mix. All these things we will study under this chapter, marketing mix. In the last and important chapter, consumer protection. Consumer protections. After study of all these chapters, that is last and most important chapter, consumer protections. What are the rights of consumer? How a consumer can be protected in the market? Need for consumer protections. Next, method of consumer protection. The Consumer Protection Act 1960, the provisions of Consumer Protection Act 1986, role of consumer organization and NGOs. We will see under this chapter, consumer protection. These all are the very interesting chapter, and these all are the syllabus of the class 12th commerce. Whatever we will see in classes. The first chapter will start business environment. Okay, thank you for today. Thank you, class.